Surgical lights infection risk. In the modern operating room, every detail is engineered for safety. Yet a critical vulnerability often hangs in plain sight, contributing to a massive multi-billion-dollar problem. But what could it possibly be? When choosing a surgical light, teams often focus on what's easy to measure: brightness, color accuracy, and lifespan. These specs are important, but they miss a more fundamental risk. So, what question isn't being asked? An experienced OR director looks past the spec sheet. They understand that the light's physical form is as important as its function because it interacts with an invisible system protecting the patient. How does the system work? Many designs equate size with quality, leading to bulky, high-presence lights. This aesthetic is often a liability. In an ultra-clean environment, a larger obstacle can create more significant problems. What exactly is it obstructing? The key is laminar flow, an invisible curtain of ultra-clean air moving downward. This system continuously sweeps airborne contaminants away from the surgical site, creating a sterile zone. But what happens when something gets in the way? Ideally, a well-designed light allows the air to pass around it smoothly. Its thin, aerodynamic profile minimizes blockage, maintaining the integrity of the protective air curtain. But what does a bad design do to this flow? A bulky light acts like a dam, creating turbulence. This chaos pulls contaminated air from the wider room back into the sterile field, defeating the purpose of the laminar flow system. How can we see this effect in reality? Experienced clinicians have an intuitive test: watching surgical smoke. If the smoke is carried away predictably, the system is working. If it swirls and lingers, the light is causing a disruption. This reveals the truth beyond the specs. The solution is to buy for synergy, not just specs. Procurement must ask different questions, focusing on physical design and its interaction with the room's unique airflow system. This shifts the focus from simple parameters to holistic performance. A surgical light's primary job is to illuminate, but its secondary and equally critical job is not to harm. By prioritizing laminar flow compatibility, you ensure the light protects the baseline of safety, reducing a hidden probabilistic risk.